Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp on your PC. So for you to do that, you have to tap on the window button on your keyboard, or probably you can simply tap at the window icon on your screen. You can see it here. You can see that's it. Then once you do that, then tap at the Microsoft Store. Once you do that, another page is going to pop up, and give the Microsoft Store a few more minutes, for a few seconds to load the in-app. Then once you do that, then use the search bar at the top and search WhatsApp. You can see these are you can see we have the first suggestion of the apps. Then tap on WhatsApp. Once you do that, then you tap on download. Then you can give 4 minutes to load. After that, then you can open your WhatsApp, then set it up. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.